We are going to review top 5 best caulking guns. Let's get started. List number 1. Newborn 250 Super Smooth Rod Revolving Caulking Gun. The Newborn 250 Super Smooth Rod Revolving Frame Caulking Gun is one of the most fantastic additions in our best caulk gun panoply. However, it is one of the most versatile machines that can be used with acrylic, adhesives, asphalt, butyl, and cement. However, it comes with a steel revolving frame that extra long fits 1/10 of a gallon cartridges and has an 18:1 thrust ratio. You can also consider the Newborn caulk gun as the most popular one on the market. The revolving frame is sufficient that lets the barrel rotate for maintaining the same bead orientation while caulking around corners. Therefore, it has a smooth pressure rod included that doesn't want much force while working. List number 2. Newborn 188 Super Ratchet Rod Cradle Caulking Gun. The Newborn 188 Super Ratchet Rod Cradle Caulking Gun is the twin brother of the above caulking gun. It is almost similar to the above product. The only difference is in the thrust ratio. It has a thrust ratio of 6:1. However, it features a steel half-barrel frame that fits 1/10 of a gallon cartridges. This caulking gun is suitable for medium viscosity materials like silicone caulk. Therefore, the ratchet rod has teeth that hold the rod in the correct place after each pulls the trigger. Besides, it comes with a welded plate on the back for securing the cartridges in place. It also has a built-in seal puncture tool and spout cutter for opening cartridges without the help of a knife. List number 3. Albion Engineering B12S20 Manual Drive Sausage Caulk Gun. Fascination is what you will feel after using the Albion Engineering B12S20 Manual Drive Sausage Caulk Gun. This best manual caulking gun is constructed with premium quality aluminum materials. So, it is durable and provides remarkable performance throughout its lifespan. Therefore, it has enough power. You don't have to press the trigger too hard for operation. It has double gripping plate technology included that ensures its durability. The handle is comfortable and convenient. Overall, this manual drive sausage caulk gun is what that will please you completely. Double gripping plate technology. Comfortable and convenient rotating swivel handle included. List number 4. Caulk's 4100042D Ascit 10.3 ounce cartridge 26. Caulk is the famous brand of quality caulk guns and epoxy applicators industry. They are leading the market with premium quality products over the years. Their principal motive is to satisfy their customers. The Caulk's 4100042T manual caulk gun has moved its aim to the next level. It is one of their amazing inventions. This caulking gun comes with a standard 10 ounces cartridge with 26:1 mechanical advantages. You can use this best caulking gun in windows, doors, sinks, faucets, and many other applications. Therefore, it is made in the UK, so no question about the build quality. Has a built-in ladder hook. List number 5. Ryobi P310G18V Pistol Grip Power Caulk and Adhesive Gun. The variable speed adjustment feature makes the Ryobi P310G caulk gun one of the unique models of the present time. With this incredible speed adjustment facility, you can work with different materials without changing the workflow. Besides, this Ryobi caulking gun has the ability to dispense up to 200 tubes of caulk on a single 18-volt battery. People often thought that battery-powered caulking gun machine doesn't offer continuous operation facility. Well, give it a try and see for yourself. Therefore, it comes with a pistol grip that is comfortable to hold and provides impressive balance. What about power? The power is incredible with 500 pounds of push force. Besides,